Okay, well, today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a suicide with Copenhagen Wintergreen and Copenhagen Straight. I got my good old grizzly pouches to put them in. See? With the empty. As you can see, I don't really got much of Copenhagen Wintergreen. Man. As you can see, decent sized fatty. Oh shit. As you can see, got a decent amount.
Play it on your thing. Play it.
So, I'll fucking shake this fucker up. Get all the fucking juices mixed into it. We're gonna put all that right there in just one dip. I'm gonna go switch around the camera. Actually, I don't know if I can switch around the camera. No, I can't. But fuck. I will. It's time to pack, dip, and spit mother truckers. And yes, I did take that from Outlaw. Whew. I don't know what the fuck I'm smelling right now. So, back to what I was saying. Time to put this motherfucker in my lip. As you see, it's all somewhat packed. But, can't really tell what the fuck I'm smelling. Whew. Fuck. It's not smell good, but hopefully it'll taste better.
I'm glad it doesn't taste good.
Got me a decent sized pinch. Might put in a filler. Mmm. 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 Well, at least it tastes better than what it fucking smells. But, yeah. Mmm. Mm. Yeah. That's how you fucking do a suicide. As you can see, That's how it's all hacked. And for you beginner fucking dippers, I'll put it this way. Don't swallow your dip. Really. I had already 2 buddies do it. They've been dipping longer than I have. And they about threw up. I mean, if you have a strong enough stomach, fucking swallow that shit. But I recommend not doing it. But yeah. Like, subscribe. Y'all have a nice day.